In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an audio file in Gmail, an essential skill for anyone wanting to share audio content directly in emails. This ability can come in handy whether you're sending a voice message, a podcast snippet, or any other audio-related content. To get started, you'll need access to your Gmail account and the audio file you'd like to attach. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once there, head over to the Compose button situated on the top left corner of your Gmail dashboard. This will open up a new email draft window where you can type in the recipient's email address, subject, and the main body of your email. Drafting the email first ensures you stay organized and focused on the content you wish to convey alongside the audio file. Now let's focus on attaching your audio file. Unfortunately, Gmail doesn't allow audio files to be directly inserted as audio players within the email. However, you can still share your audio content effectively by attaching it. Click on the paperclip icon, which is the attachment button at the bottom tool menu of your email draft. This action will prompt a File Explorer window to pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the audio file you want to attach. Make sure your audio file format is compatible. Common formats like MP3, WAV, or M4A are usually accepted. After selecting your target audio file, double-check that it appears as an attachment in the email draft. If it's too large, Gmail will instead prompt you to upload it to Google Drive and provide a link. This leads us to an alternative and quite efficient method. If the file size is more than 25 megabytes, use the Google Drive option. Simply upload your audio file to Google Drive, making sure it's saved in a folder that you can share access to. Once uploaded, return to your email and click the Google Drive icon next to the attachment button. From there, locate and select your intended audio file from Google Drive to insert the link directly into your email. Remember, when sharing through Google Drive, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure the permissions are set so the recipient can view or download the file. Click the Share button in Google Drive and adjust the settings if needed. It's also helpful to include a short note or description of the audio file in your email to provide some context for the recipient. This small addition can make a big difference in how your receiver understands and utilizes the audio information you've shared. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive way to insert audio files into your Gmail messages. Whether you're sending a voice memo or a professionally recorded clip, these steps will help you efficiently and effectively share your audio files with ease.